What a pain in my ass. Bought a new fridge, still trying to take this glue off. And this is the best way I found to do it. Afterwards, I'm gonna clean up this residue with a little bit of oil. Try to wear a glove for this, because what I saw and what I did in the last video was use my fingers, but at the end of the day, you end up getting like this finger burn. However, this way, you get these gloves at Home Depot probably for about $2 or less, at least in the Northeast where I live. And then you just go like that. See that? The glue comes off. Keep it clean. And then you just keep it moving. Let's see. Just do it little by little. This is the best way I found to take the big stuff off. It is not fun. However, it's also not fun having a new fridge with this sticky stuff. As you can see, it does come off little by little.